Yeah, my name's Jason Duckett. Currently finishing a BRR, looking to get that out on rent in the next couple of weeks.
And how long have you been doing property?
Very long time, in a sense of my dad's got a few properties, been helping him with the family and stuff, brother sort of all mucking in. But on the academy since last October.
Great. And how has that been?
It's been brilliant. Joining the academy has given me access to a community that I wanted. Do you know what I mean? Have those like-minded people around you, people that are doing bigger things, can learn from them, get their input. Yeah.
Nice. And what would you think about like the sort of the mentor and the calls that you can have? How you feel that?
Yeah, it's very valuable. Look, on this journey, you go through highs and lows. I've had mentor calls that have picked me up when I've been in some of those lows. So yeah, very grateful for it. Very grateful for the people that you meet while you're here. It's just invaluable.
Great. And what would you say to someone looking to get into property?
Looking to get into property, nothing is as good or as bad as it seems. It's not a get rich quick sort of scheme. You have to work hard. You have to understand what you're doing and learn the lay of the land. So yeah, don't take it for granted that you're just gonna get into property and make money. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of work.
And where do you see yourself like a year from now?
A year from now, being full-time property, to be honest. Obviously, not obviously. I work full-time as well. Got a young family, so yeah, in a year's time from now, hopefully I'll set up fully running off the ground, and yeah, not beholden to anyone else.
Do you think this course is a good place for kind of newbies to kind of learn and kind of like?
Yeah, absolutely, mate. You meet coming here, especially today. There's a few teenagers and stuff like that. Yeah, if I had been in their shoes when I was their age, here doing positive, progressive stuff, my life would have been different. You know, I think what Samuel's put together is purposeful.